Yeah, yeah. I got a lot of bands, I got a lot of Hermes on me. I gotta fan myself up. I gotta fan myself up. I gotta cool it down. Yeah, I gotta cool it down. Oh shit, yeah.
So yun, good morning. It's 7:30 in the morning, kakalad lang din ng asawa ko. Nagpe-prepare na siya ngayon and then papunta na siya dito. And di ko alam kung kain muna kami and then lumamasyal. Pupunta daw kami sa, di ko alam kung tama kung babanggitin, Musharraf. So, it is what it is. Yun ang pagkakabasa ko. So, ito yun na natin asawa ko. Kasama ko ng asawa ko. Kakain daw kami sa The Branchery. Masarap daw doon eh. Gusto daw niya patingin sa akin. So, yeah. Let's see. Masarap ba talaga?
Getting one past me. I gotta fan myself up. I gotta fan myself up. I gotta cool it down. Yeah. You got me. Yeah. Oh shit, yeah. Never had a girl with a mind like this. No, no.
We're here na at The Branchery. Damn! Close! Close! Oh. Ang epic B. So ngayon, change of plan. Close pala yung The Branchery. Ang open pa niya is 12:30. 12:50.
12:15.
So ngayon kami mag-IHOP na lang kami. So hindi ko pa siya titikman eh. So yun na lang muna. Baka bukas na lang siguro eh. Damn, gutom na gutom na ako. Walk trip muna kami guys.
If you want, we can do K-barbecue.
Ayun.
Iwa.
Ikaw,
Mas
sabi
medyo
niyo.
mahal yung barbecue ko yun.
Piling mas masarap yung IHOP.
Ranch.
Walking here in Qatar. Malamig siya eh. Kaso nga lang, mainit kasi may araw pa. Pero pag nawala yung araw, medyo hindi ko na rin kaya mag-t-shirt. Ngayon lang. Mamaya mga hapon-hapon, medyo hindi na ako mag-t-shirt. I have my jacket.
In a time like this, my love. Never seen a girl so fine like this. No, no, no. What else am I like this? Yeah. Only you want to take it. Only you can take
Sino ba ako? Exit na kaya ako sa ba? Dito na kami sa disyerto. Disyerto ba to, B? Sira sapatos ko dito eh. Puro bato. Lapit na kami makapunta sa IHOP. Siguro mga 5 minutes away na lang.
Bibigyan na pa yung pera.
Kaya nga. And we're here. Kain na tayo. Who's din?
Oh, now you wanna have conversations. Yeah, yeah. I got a lot of style, got a lot of Chanel on me. I gotta fan myself up. I gotta fan myself up. I gotta cool it down. Yeah.
Hindi pa kami makapasok dahil may nakalagay dito sa pintuan. Ano yun? For prayers. Ano? Prayer time. Close for a minute. Dahil tumawag daw yung mosque. No? What's your order, B? Hot chocolate.
Nothing else, just hot chocolate.
So ako Tito Vibes. Ganun ba yun?
Cha-cha ano.
Tsaka-tsaka na lang tayo ngayon.
Green tea pa nga.
At dumating na ang aming tartar, mozzarella.
Mozzarella stick.
Naks. Mozzarella cheese. Masarap.
Mas pang spice. Hindi hinihila. Wala. Yes. First bite.
Laman ng hot sauce. Sarap.
Try mo yung steak ko.
Ano to?
Sirloin steak.
Nakatapos na namin mag-brunch. Ito ang food coma. Naantok parehas. Kasi syempre, di ba yung portion ng pagkain parang American size. So, ang dami.
American portion.
Tapos nag-order pa ako ng rice. Hindi ko naman na-enjoy. Buti na lang may green tea kahit na parang nakakatulong. Magpababa na. Naubos naman namin. Ang hindi ko na naubos yung rice.
Ay, hindi mo na-review ha. Dapat ba binideo ko kung gaano ka simut yung plate.
So ngayon, papunta naman kami ng grocery. Tingnan natin kung ano pwede maging pasalubong.
Wow, pasalubong, duty free.
Hindi yung mga local lang.
Yeah.
Mga chicherya nila, ganyan.
Ang tanong may space ka pa ba sa maleta mo?
Kaya hindi lang bibiling ko.
Oh shit, yeah. Been a lot of years. Really think you get more past me. I got to fan myself off. I got to fan myself off. I gotta cool it down. Yeah, you got me. My first over no nigga, and if I had a nigga, I damn sure don't want him again. I don't want no nigga out here. Know that. I saw your new shorty at the Gucci store. I'ma need you to hold this down for her like you held me before. I gave you passion desire, like that be what I inspire. Never had a girl with a mind like this.
Hello po.
Give you space, you done like this. Never had a girl so fun like this. No, 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 no. We're into it.
Para lang ako na sa ano natin, Pasig ah. Puro Pinoy sila dito.
On me, I gotta fan myself up. I gotta fan myself up. I gotta cool it down here. You got me. Hey, hey, I got a lot of bands. I got a lot of skirt on me. I gotta fan myself.
Bye, B. Love you, Maro. Yeah, bye-bye. Kaya tayo si Sonic. Dito pala nagbabakasan si Sonic eh. Kaya pala di gumagana credit card yung ano. Yo, what up, what up? Pagising lang natin after namin mag-lunch ng asawa ko. Ngayon, ang plano ko, pupunta ako ng Souk Waqif. Pupuntahan ko yung Falcon Souk kung saan daw nagtitraining yung mga Falcon. Check natin kung may bibili tayong Falcon at mauwi natin ang pangarera natin sa mga kalapati dun sa Manila. Actually, parang ano ata nila yung Falcon dito eh. Parang yun yung parang national animal nila. I don't know. Pero sa tingin ko kasi sabi nila marami ng Falcon dito. So, let's go. Book na ako ng Uber. Waiting na lang ako, 5 minutes away. Actually, hindi ko alam ba't sobrang mura ng Grab dito. Yung pupuntahan ko, 180 lang yun sa Souk Waqif. Siguro walang traffic kasi dito. Maluwag ng kalsada. Pero minsan naglalakad ako pag trip ko maglakad. Ngayon hindi masyado malamig. Kaya ng t-shirt. So, let's see. Tayo na natin yung Uber natin. Just walking around lang. Pupunta ako muna yung Falcon Souk. Hanapin natin yung Falcon Souk. Sobrang ganda ng scenery dito kasi parang bumalik ka sa lumang, alam mo yun, yung lumang Aladdin. Ganun. So, Stig. Ganda. Hindi ako nasasawang tignan eh. Tignan nyo naman kasi. Kung makikita nyo yung mga structure, napakaganda.
Every day we could run a playback. MVP, she wouldn't trade that life. Blue jam for breakfast. She get that French toast with the extras. Hit the mall for they open, the register. Sipping on champagne in the shoe section. Insecure, she just looking for acceptance. And you know that all my cars get accepted. I taught about the colors on the bottoms. At first she ain't understand the designer, get it? But now you speak the language, baby, she coming. Hit the door to the dressing room and give me here.
Dito na ako sa Falcon Soup.
Surprise you.
Ayun yung ano, footstep ng Falcon. Kasi yan na ang Falcon Hospital. Ganda dito. Kaya naman guys, ganda oh. Ganda ng mga structure nila dito. Sana makita tayong Falcon. Ayun, may nakita tayong Falcon. May Falcon dun guys. Stig. Alam ko dito daw nila tinitraining yung mga Falcon. Mga rich pet daw yun eh. Mga rich people pet daw yan eh. Ito pakita ko pa sa inyo isa pa. Ito di ko naman alam to. Baka check natin. Wow. Ayan. Ay, ito daw guys. Yan daw ang parliament. I'm not sure pero yan daw ang parliament.
Fuck being on some chill shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. They on that rapid pay the bill shit. And I don't feel that shit, not even a little bit. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your work, nigga. My actions being louder than my words, nigga. I ain't slow, I been still slow down to earth, nigga. Niggas wanna do it, we can do it on their turf, nigga. Oh Lord, I'm the rookie in the vet. Shout out to the bitches out here holding down the set. All up in my phone looking at pictures from the other night. She gon' be upset if she can.
Ang daming Falcons. Alam ko pwede ka daw bumili dyan eh. Ano? Ang pagkakaalam ko, sabi daw dyan, nasa ano yan, 13,000 Qatar Riyals. Basta ganon, mahal no? Pero yun daw ang pet ng mga rich people dito sa Qatar.
To the left, dog, she gon' see some shit that she don't wanna see. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. Yeah, 6 ain't friendly, but this way I live. This shit
Puntahan, nakakita na tayo ng kabayo, nakakita na tayo ng maraming kabayo. Ngayon naman, harap naman tayo ng maraming camel. Kaya tayo makakita tayo. Ikot-ikot lang tayo kasi napuntahan ko na yung mga pupunta ko, ang bilis lang. Ito. Yo, what up? And that's what I'm talking about. Mga camels. Told you. Makakita tayo ng camels. Check natin, lapit tayo sa camel. Pakita ko sa inyo. Dami nila guys. Oh. Yo bro. What's up bro? May napansin lang ako. Nakatali pala yung mga paa nila. Ayun. Ayun. Siguro para di sila tumakas. Mahal-mahal ata ng camel eh. First time ko lang talaga makakita ng camel kasi ngayon lang naman ako napunta dito. Dami nila. one day makakabili rin ako ng camel. Ako ang hindi ko alam kung meron nagkaroon ng camel sa Pilipinas, pero malay mo ako pinakaunang tao magkakaroon ng camel sa Pilipinas, no? Yeah. Let's see. G. Nakakita na ba kayo ng camel toe, guys? Pakita ko sa inyo yung camel toe. May camel toe, guys. Camel toe. Ngayon maghahanap naman tayo ng makakain. Medyo nagutom ako sa paglalakad ko. Let's see kung anong bibili natin. Donkey.
I think it's so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and we'll fall into love. I'm the perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy to fall in love.
Bili ako ng traditional crepe. Harap tayo ng mga kainan, ng mauupuan. Nakaharap tayo ng spot. Tikman natin ito, traditional crepe. Lagay ko Nutella. Sarap.
Hey, the way I make you laugh, the way we like to share. Oh, I'm such a part. I could be fresh air, might be the girl of your dreams. There's no need to hide if you're into me, 'cause I'm into you, quiet into.
Hanap yung suot ni Aladdin, nakita ko na. Tagpuan ko na ako ng suot na best. Ito ata. Kaya tayo, di ba? Yan yung mga best na sinusuot ni Aladdin.
Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy to fall in love with me.
So pinadaanan ako dito, ang haba ng pila. Yan. So syempre kung saan sa mahaba pila, doon tayo. Baka masarap eh. Let's see, pakita ko sa inyo. Kung nakuha ko. Here's my food. I ordered spinach and cheese pie. So, check natin kung masarap. Spinach and cheese pie. Perfect pie. Sarap. All good.
Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy to fall in love with me.
Hahanap ako ngayon ng panulak. Medyo hindi bumaba yung kanangin ko. Hanap tayo ng panulak dito. Ito daw sabi ni Jessa, local daw ito eh. Check natin. Tingnan natin. Parang Sprite. Same na din ang lasa ng Sprite. Tara. Dadali niya pala ako dito. Diyan sa mga lights. Diyan daw yung mall na B. Diyan yung mall. And then Kaya natin kung ano pa pwede magawa dyan. Maraming magagawa eh.
Walang.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno of those traits in a race, they can't hold me.
Yung mga lights na, yung mga building lights na nakikita natin na sana yung kainan natin sa Cornish, yung kung saan kami nag-countdown, kung saan kami nag-dinner. Ito na siya ngayon, West Bay area. Explore na namin ito ngayon.
Seaside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never.
We're here at, ano to?
City Center.
City Center Mall. Sobrang different vibe niya compared dun sa lugar niyo, no, B?
Ay, sa akin pala na ba? Sa akin pala. Yeah?
Sobrang different vibe niya compared dun sa lugar ninyo. Parang na ako nasa ano eh, City, BGC, ganyan.
ABGC.
Ayala.
Ayan.
Ayala, yan.
Anybody, yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace.
Dito na kami sa Nando's. Ito yung lagi kong pinapa-order sa kanya kapag...
Ito lagi kong pinapa-order.
Lagi ko pala pinapa-order sa akin pag tinitreat ko siya. Itong Nando's. So ngayon matitikman ko na rin siya. Nakaka-curious din ako sa lasa kasi favorite na favorite niya to eh.
Yeah, my favorite.
15 minutes pa daw ang waiting, so at least meron pang ano. Medyo busog pa ako eh. Pero okay naman, kaya pa, kaya.
Food trip ka kasi.
trip. So good.
Kamusta naman ang walking?
Pagod. Sasang pa ako. Dapat nga ginamit nyo.
Nag-enjoy ka.
Yeah. Here is our food.
Chicken cashew with spicy rice. Chicken cashew with spicy rice and yogurt. This is
Ano yung sa'yo? Regular chicken.
chicken thigh with lemon and herb.
So let's eat.
I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me. 'Cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick make me so damn proud. Now lay your head down on the pillow. Turn the lights down real low. I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close, baby. I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here, I won't let you down. Don't be surprised, baby. It's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you.
Busog.
Food coma na naman ba?
Ha?
Food coma na naman ba?
Yeah. Para kayo ng morning lang. Pero sobrang sarap nung ano. Nakita mo naman walang tira. Kanina may tira ko eh.
May tira eh, sauce.
Sauce lang. Siyempre, kaya tayo kayang-kaya natin yan. Naka-green tea tayo. Kaya suggestion ko sa inyo, pag kaya kayo ng mag-green tea kayo. Baba. Pudol pa nga. Inabutan kami ng closing. Kaya sinasabi ko sa iyo. Pero okay lang.
Nag-enjoy ka? Beating ka pa.
Okay lang. Hindi na tayo nakapag-H&M eh. But it's all good. At least may nauwi. Yeah.
You can go back.
So ngayon pauwi na kami dahil 12 na. Sinulit namin yung araw ngayon.
Time check. 1 minute to
1
12.
minute. 12. Uwian na. Gastos.
Literal na uuwi na.
Hindi mo lang tayo nakaikot sa labas mo. Talagang literal. Sa isang mall lang kami nagpunta. Pero okay lang. Okay lang. Meron pa naman, marami pa naman. Alam mo, next month bumalik ulit ako, di ba? Okay dyan. Nakapag book na kami. Waiting na lang kami sa Uber namin. And then, uwi na. End of the day. Peace out. Update na lang pag nakauwi.